Hi guys, so for this video I'm going to be doing a review on our new brush set that we have out now. It's called Classique Trinite, and what Classique Trinite means, it means the classic Trinity, and that's paying homage to what I believe in, Father, Son and Holy Ghost. Classique Trinity, the classic Trinity. So in the classic Trinity set, you have 3 brushes, and it's called Trinity as well. It's 1, 2, 3 brushes. So you have a flat top brush, you have a rounded brush, and you have an angled brush. Now the angled brush is called PS139, the rounded brush is called PH413, and the flat top brush is called PR356. Now these handles are absolutely matte, and if you follow me on Periscope a couple months ago, I had said that I was because I have the prototype. So these are the prototype that I got, and see, these handles are shiny. See, look, they're the same, but these handles are shiny. And I've had these now for about 3 or 4 months. I haven't gotten any shedding from them at all. The blendability on these brushes are very good depending on how you use them, right? And I have a full tutorial on how to use the brushes. The base of these are flat and they aren't numbered, and the logo is it's not engraved. It's like just sitting there. It's not written in to the packaging. Let me just put these right here. It's not written onto the handles themselves. But for the brushes that we'll be selling, I wanted them to be engraved, and I also wanted them to be numbered. The numbering system is, however, very unique, and I'd like to believe I'm the only company, or my company is the only company that does this. But I know I may be wrong, because the Bible says there's nothing new under the sun. So this numbering system, they're actually scriptures. So PR356 is Proverbs 3, 5 and 6, Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6. The PS139 is Psalms 139, chapter 139, chapter 139, right? Chapter 139, right? Okay. And then PH413 is Philippians 4:13. And these are matte. I wanted the finished product to be matte because I had asked you guys on Periscope months ago if you prefer if it looked matte, because the shiny handles just look a little bit cheap to me. So you guys had said yes, matte, and I was like, yeah. So some of you said, you know, the shiny handles is fine, but I read with the set that said yeah for matte handles, and I think I like when my brushes handles are matte. We'll see what design you would choose to go with, you know, further on. But these are the prototype that I've been using, and because, you know, we get samples to test out and stuff, and these are the actual brushes that we're selling right now on POMIbyLyric.com. Now the thing is with these brushes, the price that I'm selling it for is absolutely ridiculous, because I know the quality of these brushes, I know how long they're going to last, and I know what I'm giving you. Let me explain to you about my pricing on my website. My pricing on my website is never to just make money and move on. That's never my pricing. When I price my goods, my products, I always want to price at so that it's affordable for you, but also making it affordable for you, but also staying true to the integrity of the brushes and staying true to what we're bringing to the table. So my pricing is never about just making a buck from you and, you know, we're just going to move on. My pricing always reflects my brand. It reflects also the products that you're getting. Now with that being said, I also want it to be affordable for you guys. So what I price it at was $30. Now that does not include standard shipping, and it does not include not free shipping, express shipping. Now I do ship from Jamaica, understand that we ship from Jamaica, so products to get into your country may take a very long time. When I say very long time, I mean from 2 weeks to 5 weeks, right? We have been getting goods sent back to us like crazy. And whenever we send back, they're sent back to us because you're not home to collect them. If you have an issue any at all, please contact our support at POMIbyLyric.com. please contact support@POMIbyLyric.com if you have an issue with your order, because I'm getting people they've been trying us, specifically me, on social media. So I have to be responding, you know, I have to put the what you call it now, the branding hat on, so that it doesn't, so I don't come off as harsh, and also that I stay true to my brand and what it is that I'm bringing to you, meaning I don't answer in a derogatory way or anything like that. That being said, it's $30 US dollars, everything's in US dollars, and standard shipping is $7.85, so you pay $37.85 for it, or express shipping is $15, so you can pay $45 for it. Now the express shipping takes 3 to 7 weeks to US and Canada, Canada and the Caribbean, through 3 to 7 days. Express shipping elsewhere will take longer, not me, it will take longer. So I really urge you guys, if you are Jamaican, to purchase on FontanaPharmacy.com. What you can do with FontanaPharmacy.com is when you purchase from FontanaPharmacy.com, purchase the lashes or the brushes, you can go into the store to collect them. So you purchase online and you pick up in store. That's an amazing thing to have. Or you order from them and you get them closer. Now when I ship to you from Jamaica, so if you're Jamaican and you're buying from POMIbyLyric.com, you can get it I think 2 or 3 days time. But with Fontana Pharmacy, you get instant gratification, or it's at your leisure. You can just order online and pick up in stores. That's completely easy as far as I'm concerned. To me, it's like a no hassle thing. Now if you're abroad, what POMIbyLyric is, it's mostly directed to all my subscribers and supporters who are abroad, England, Canada, US, because shipping on Fontana Pharmacy site across to you guys is expensive. Reason being, they use traditional shippers like DHL, FedEx. You know, they use traditional shippers. We don't use traditional shippers. We ship from our local post office, and that's why our shipping is so darn reasonable, and that's why as well it takes that amount of time to get to you. And the heavier your goods are, the more expensive shipping is going to be. So if you're ordering 3 brush sets in one thing, your shipping is going to be more expensive, but you don't pay that. What you pay is just the standard shipping, whether $7 or $15, and we would have to tack on whatever needs to be tacked on for the weight, because they go by the weight here in Jamaica. The lashes are also, no, I just talk about the brushes for today. Yes, so just want to go in a little bit on the back end about shipping and customer service and support at POMIbyLyric.com if you have any issues. Now for our VIP members, you guys were able to use the code SHIPFREE and you get free shipping, but it was up until a certain time. Now that deal is over and it's now open to everybody, so you don't necessarily have to be on the VIP list in order to use the code SHIPFREE. So when you use the code SHIPFREE, what happens is that you get free shipping wherever you are in the world. Now with free shipping, it takes 5 weeks for your goods to be with you. And I know some of you who own businesses are like, Lyric, you shouldn't be saying this. Let them just expect what they're going to expect. You shouldn't be saying that. That'll be bad for your company. But I'm trying my best to be as transparent as possible to you guys, the consumers, you guys who are buying, and you have a time frame of when it is that you want your goods. You understand? And it's probably a bad thing I'm doing, but I really want to be transparent with you guys. You guys have brought me to this point. I have over 147,000 of you. You guys have brought me to this point, and I'm completely grateful, and that's why I always have a deal. Like, the deal is more directed to my VIP customers. Now know that the VIP code SHIPFREE, it's SHIPFREE, SHIPFREE. Now that it's open to you guys, I'm gonna have to go on the back end and sort out something for my VIP girls and guys, because you know mama's got you, bro. If you want to join the VIP club, you can just click I'll leave a link in the description bar below and you can join. But the VIP club is specifically for deals that nobody else gets, for gifts, all those things that nobody else gets. The VIP members get it. For inside information like what I just shared, VIP members tired for here about the back end of POMIbyLyric, because I want to be very transparent with you guys. Yeah, so that's just basically all I have to say about that. Back to the brushes and this review. I absolutely love the brushes. Love. And I don't know if the video that I did using them will be up before or after this, but I have a video specifically using those brushes for my foundation routine, and I love it. I love them. They have been my most anticipated, but no, these have been my most anticipated brushes to date, because I know that they were going to come with the numbering system. I know that the numbering system would have been scriptures. These have been my most anticipated brushes for me personally. I just want to buy like 10 of them and just have them so nobody else can get them. This is this collection. This and what, okay, let me be a little bit transparent with you again. This and the Dipped in Elegance, I love these brushes. The Dipped in Elegance are my first set, which by the way, stay tuned for the re-release of those. But the Dipped in Elegance, as well as the the Classique Trinite, these are my, I just love them. I love them, I love them, I love them, I love them, I love them. And the brushes are big enough to fit your entire face. Big enough. And you can use this brush to do your foundation, whether it be cream or liquid, all over. You can pat it, you can move it into your skin. You can use this as well to set underneath. You can turn it on the side and to set down the side of your nose, forehead. You can set it all over face. Or you can use the powders, whatever powder, loose powder or pressed powder, and you can use this as well for your foundation, all over brush. Same thing goes for this. But I love angled brushes. Why? Because it just fits nicely right under here. It fits so nice, and like the higher point, like the tip, just goes really nicely down the nose. I love angle brushes, love. And of course all over, liquid, cream, powders, pressed powders, loose powders, whatever it is, you name it, these brushes can handle it. And this brush, I use this brush to do my foundation in the video, but you can use this brush not necessarily for your foundation. You can use it for your powders. You can use it to contour as well, to put your cream contour or your cream low light. You can blend out your cream low light. This, yes. And in the video I had used I think I had used one brush for two things, I believe. Now the trick to using one brush for two things, I use one brush to set your highlights and your over face, is to use the lighter color first, and that's what I did in the video. So use the lighter color first to set this lighter areas, and then the darker color or your skin color to set everywhere else. Can we talk about my foundation today? It is snatched. Yes, bubble. So yeah, so these are what these three brushes are. Love them to bits. And I know this video kind of went on a tangent. My point is, these are the new brushes that we have, and also these can be used with whatever foundation or powders that you have. They're amazing, and they're all you need for a full face of foundation, contour, that's all you need, barring the eyes, meaning brows and lashes and eyeshadow and all that junk on your lips. These are it. These are it, and I love these brushes. Gone to bed. And for $29.99, that's all you pay. That's all you pay, bruh. And that is more than a steal. That's like highway robbery, and homeboy got off. He got no case, he just got clean off. But that's basically it. That's all I have to say for this video. As you can probably tell, because I'm going to turn on this clip, but Jonathan is sleeping. But I had to record this for you guys, to let you guys know that yes, we have new brushes out, and yes, they are extremely affordable, and yes, it stays true to the quality and the affordability of POMIbyLyric. Again, POMI means pigments of my imagination, and the website that you see, POMIbyLyric.com. Your homegirl built it herself, so go ahead and show some love, show some support over there. And for the lashes, we do not have the lashes on POMIbyLyric, and this is the reason why. We are going to be introducing luxury lashes. We're going to be introducing fur lashes. We're going to be introducing mink lashes, silk lashes, sorry, sable lashes, fox fur lashes, all those type of lashes. That's what we'll be introducing to you guys. So for the hand-tied lashes and for the synthetic lashes, those are on fontanapharmacy.com, and when I get some in, I'll review those for you guys as well, and let you guys know what we discontinued and what new lashes that we introduced. But if you go on fontanapharmacy.com, you'll see everything anyway. That's basically it, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much for those of you who have already purchased. Your orders are on the way. For all my girls who pre-ordered, mama done expressed your items to you, so you're in good hands. Thank you guys for the support. I'll talk to you in the next video.